He's up. Sorry. We're back. On a 3-day losing streak. Very upset about yesterday. I let my emotions, well, not in trading, but it really wasn't a good day yesterday for me, and I let trading affect it. Should have been a good day. Hard time frame. With bullish. Filling for our gaps, continuing higher. Hourly or bearish. This would be so ideal. Like, beautiful. Okay, so we took Asia highs. The 4 hour is still extremely bullish. What I want to see is London lows get taken out, and we rotate higher to these relative equal highs, make a bullish SMT, bang, 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 bang. Should be so fucking beautiful. So fucking beautiful. Because NQ, I mean, we're pretty damn close to those lows. Relative equal highs above. That's just beautiful, dude. I mean, oh, dude. So 5-minute opens lower, massive wick. Oh, bullish SMD. We might, depending on how market looks and its volatility, we might have to trade down to London lows first. Yeah, but we're gonna. I think we're gonna have to take London lows no matter what before we rotate higher. But if we do, just want to pump. I don't really see a world where we just pump. We are feeling like a 30-minute gap, but we're bearish on the hourly. We just inverted an hourly. We're holding a 15-minute gap. You know, I think London lows for sure are going to want to get hit. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to ship. I'll let you play some house. Let me know market in the chat. Wow. That was disgusting, by the way. Creatine and well in the stomach. You know what I mean.
Oh yeah, it's time for this week's Wrong Player.
Alright. Not bad. Well, smack a London loose, like I said. Man, dude. There's potential to just trade down to London lows. Nah, not really. We're not gonna get an entry if we do. Really need to take London lows to want to trade high. Leaving this swing low, an hourly bear should really not be my cup of tea.
Taken from our album of the week, Housemasters, Armand Van Helden, and that was my.
Imagine you just hammer
Producer composed the 27th release
wherever
in
the
the
body is
Housemasters
on the
series,
screen.
and now sits alongside the likes of Frankie Knuckles, MK, Masters of Work, and Todd Terry. You can grab Armand's compilation right now from the D Store. You're locked into Defected in the House, and if you want to get in touch, drop us a tweet at Defected Radio or myself.
Where it's early, we inverse, we get an A+ setup, and then we just want to fucking manipulate out and then come down and take them.
There's tracks lined up from artists like Soul Vision,
So like I wouldn't take this shit.
and more. But first up, This is Wonky Bassline Disco Banger, and it's by Red Rackham.
Macarena, no mundo tú.
Hello, hello! You are listening the Rally Station Radio. We are pleased to bring you today a true legend of Rally House with another hit to move your feet in the club or burn wheels on the road.
Check this out.
Low key, it would be nice to close the scandal bullish so that we can break to the upside easier. And we also have 5-minute inverse here. It's kind of far. So these candles are actually really volatile. Didn't even realize that. Like this candle, 75 points.
Okay. That was very hot. Honestly. Are you
So that
ready
means
for
this
the
shit's
second
actually
part?
kind of far away. I mean, dude, shorts actually look. Making SMT potential. That will be my only driving factor if I want to enter this trade. Like, bro, London lows, I feel like we just have to take them. We did take this 5-minute low, but hourly's bearish, just invert an hourly. I really, think we need to take London low before we rotate higher on the higher time frame. I mean, this is the swing low of the... Yo, what?
This is the home of massive dance records, classic
Fuck just
pop music,
happened?
good times, and people staying up long after
Holy, dude. Holy shit! What the fuck was that? Yeah, I was about to enter shorts. That scared me. I'm not entering shorts off of this. Fine, dude. I guess if we want to fucking smack London lows, we can rotate higher now, and that'll be literally picture perfect for what I said. All chilling in the hood. I was gonna go on after that break, but Ugh. Yeah. SMT break. Alright, let's smack them, dude. And then we'll see a rotation. Okay, now rotate higher right now, rotate higher right now, rotate higher right now. Yes. 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 Where the Alright, we'll probably take one and lows there. I gotta wait for the 5 minute to break. Wait, can I see Bitcoin on here? $3,000. What is this? Why does it look weird on the shit? Yeah, let's come up with it. Yeah, like this looks like shit, dude. I'm gonna get fucked. We're at a key point in resistance. So like this whole line is resistance. So I mean support. We come all the way back up to this. Hit this resistance. That should be lovely, dude. Got a wee. Cannot believe we dunked like that. Looks gay, because on a break structure, this would have to be a huge ass move. Look go Pete. Dude, we left the gap. In the wild.
Retrograde motion of the earth, hopes and the hurts. Buried in the dirt with the worst and the best. Life's always simple, yet we make it complex. At least this magazine on those you set. Blunt rolls and a black pouch. Roaming back streets around south. All my boys, we hit that loud. Feel the vibe when they blast out. Now let me show you technically what we all about. This is the sound that the gods will play to pop the clouds. Live rounds on the Gaza strip, man down. These vibes for the night, while the highest rap take flight, lean sideways. We master the sky.
Picking any of this up. Dude, I gotta turn off the noise suppression. Shit fucks it up. Just yeah, banger. So we should rotate higher from here. And then we'll have a lot of shit to just bam, Relative equal. Are these equal? That joke. Tough. More relative equal.
Life's always simple, yet we make it complex. At least this magazine on those you set. Blunt rolls and a black pouch. Roaming back streets around south. All my boys, we hit that loud. Feel the vibe when they blast out. And let me show you exactly what we all about. This is the sound that the gods will play to pop the clouds. Live round on the Gaza Strip, man down. These vibes for the night, while the highest right take flight, lean sideways. We master the sky. We master this.
Okay, come on, man. I mean, come on, baby. Come higher. Like, the longer time we spend in this area, the less likely we are to reverse. Daily up or down? Where do the daily close? Opened at this level. Dude, I would low-key hammer up. Like, deadass, I feel like this is free bread. Just like looking at the chart, I mean, if this 4 hour closes inside of the gap, that's fucking free. We're free bread up. We have all these draws to the upside. But see, it's changing so quickly, like it's updating so fast. It's just market analysis though. But we almost, like, this 4 hour gap determines like everything. Close that shit in 5 minutes. When does SpaceX IPO release? Oh, today. Oh, it already went. SpaceX. See, this is what I mean, dude. Longer we stay down here, less likely we are to reverse. It's looking gay, man. Real gay. Converting that 4 hour right here. That won't necessarily be the end of the world, but it's lower confidence. You know, so I prefer we just somehow fucking pump. Because we don't have any trust the downside, really. Not even an hourly low. Like this 30-minute low. It's not great. wouldn't want to prefer to trade down there. Would have prefer to just bam, just bam, or straight up. That should be 4-hour closing in 7 minutes. So we have another 5-minute candle. Hopefully we just pump and close above this high. Sorry. Break structure, 5-minute retrace, break back to the upside on the 1 minute. Give it something like Dear Bruce, I need to be honest and clear. I'm going to marry Harvey Dent. I love him, and I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with him. 1, 2.2 entry. Beautiful. And then targets right here. TP. Trader predicts the future. Got a DoorDash shift tonight. Okay, come on, let's rotate, dude. I'm tired of this bullshit ass fucking shop. I just go, Dear Bruce, I need to be honest. I'm going to marry Harvey Dent. I love him, and I want to spend the rest of my life with him. I mean, yes, looks decent for rotate higher. We just filled a 1 minute gap. Close above these highs. Bam, 5 minute. Bam, break. Bam, come down. Retrace into a 5 minute gap. Bam, 1 minute. Comes down. Breaks to the downside when we fill that 5 minute gap, and then we invert a 1 minute gap to the upside, targeting all of these relative equal highs for a 1 to 1.7 RR banger. I gotta clip that, make it a YouTube short if that ass happens. Yeah, yes looks great to come higher. still really damn far away. Got a wee again. I can feel CP today. Wow. 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 Doesn't matter. I mean the thing is, yeah. Ooh, what's happening? Why is market so volatile? So we did inverse the gap. But dude, this is high resistance liquidity. Dude, why is market moving like this? So if we break 5-minute structure to the upside, I mean, it's still great for longs. Listen, boys, we come up. Hang on, I'm gonna do this for the YouTube short. I'll lock in. Listen, boys, we come up. We break 5-minute structure. We create a 5-minute gap, 5-minute equilibrium. Tap it, break structure to the downside in the 1 minute, inverse 1 minute gap to the upside, enter, targets, bang, bada bop, boom, bop, pow. Trader predicts the future. That's perfect. I don't know what it is and do to me. I don't know what it is that you do said me. Oh yeah, dude, this is like exactly what I was predicting coming into the day. It's gonna happen. I just know what's gonna fucking happen. Let's see where my tooth at. Yeah, dude, see? It changed. I would have hammered in at 36 cents. Would have made 2,800. Would have, but like, I'm pretty positive. Not pretty, I'm positive we're gonna move higher. I am 100% sure. I'm not gonna say. I was gonna say hit TP, but like, let's just take a good trade. Hopefully we close above this high. That's step one in the sequence. Invert that 5 minute. Everything would be so ideal if we do all that. Hopefully we don't reverse off this 5 minute high because that's within like a 30-minute gap, yeah. So that's the only thing. But we just came off of high resistance liquidity. We should not trade back down there. When the 4 hours looking this bullish. Yes, we did inverse this 4-hour gap, but we came off high resistance liquidity and we're technically still trending bullish. Not really. I mean, yes, really. I don't know. No, I think this is just a poke down to continue higher. Okay, 24 seconds to see. Ooh, come on. This is actually going to be close. If we don't get it here, we're going to have to wait another 5 minutes. Uh-oh. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, bang. We broke it. We inversed it. Now, I mean, we're still looking pretty far away. So low-key, I would prefer to price in like a little another 5 minute bullish and then we can wick into that gap. Just for extra comp, because we do have a potential bearish SMT here. I don't like how price is looking right now. I really prefer we price in that 5 minute gap. Or just print higher. The higher we go, the more confident I am in the setup. I don't know what it is. Fudge. Okay, so this move should be equivalent to 0.94, and another move up would be less. Yeah, exactly. See, dude, the polymarket odds are shifting, dude. This shit would be free bread. All you had to do was predict that we were gonna reverse off lemon lows. Shit was free bread. Gotta pee again, dude. The fuck. Back. Okay. Nice, nice. Printing higher, making it more realistic. Yeah, dude. This looks great. Looks great, great. We have a whole nother minute to wait until this closes, which kinda sucks. So, low key, we can start the rotation down now on the 5 minute. Is that will invert this 1 minute. We could leave a little wick and then we can trade higher. Yeah. Ideally, we get a retrace because that would be ass if we don't. But also, I do want to inverse this 5 and break structure on ES. Just because that adds just making sure ES wants to go higher as well. Because this 5 minute inverse, yes, it's valid, but the fact that we have another 5 minute above that, you know, it's not fully confirming order flows changing. But we also have a BPR here because we have 2 stacked gaps. So we have this whole thing is this is within a gap, so that's also confident. More confident if we retrace into it. Let's see if we want to invert this gap. 9, 10, 9, 7. Do we price on a 1 minute low? Yeah, that's beautiful actually. Okay, good. Okay, now we gotta start a rotation down fast because I don't like how close we're getting. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, it's lining up to be a potential A+ setup. We just have to get an entry. And if we don't, it sucks. Dude, I mean, we're pretty overextended on the 5 minute here. I mean, it's just straight up, so I think market does need a little retrace. Hopefully, it needs a retrace, because that would suck. Not getting an entry on this.
It's already trading on on-chain markets at 175. Interested to see what happens today, but yeah, probably don't short this offering. It's my opinion. Like it is already at 173 in the pre-markets. Happy space that ideally was up at 135. It's already trading on on-chain markets at 175. Interested to see what happens today, but yeah, probably don't short this.
Okay, let's break structure on that to the downside. A little deeper retrace here. Make a 1 minute SMT off this low. Would be so ideal, and then we can inverse to the upside. Exactly like I said. So yeah, start this break. Dude, that should be crazy. Prediction. Literally exact, dude. It wasn't just like, it'll be this inverse. Enter, long, bang. Long, enter, take profit, banger. But 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Should genuinely be crazy. Oh, so 239, 2000 over 239. That's probably like 7, 8. Shit would be crazy. Shit would be crazy. One will respect the 1 minute. Continue lower, which I'm also fine with because we could also use a deeper retrace. We left a 5 minute gap right below us, or we're about to. Let's see if we want to inverse here. If we do, oh, we won't change order flow on ES, so I won't be able to enter, but that's fine. Hopefully we don't inverse here actually. Alright, perfect. We're not gonna inverse. Then we have this gap below. We tap into it, make the SMC off this low. Super ideal. Let's come a little bit lower. I'm gonna have to pee again. Could also run stops at this body if we get too high. $230. It's the same. We respected it. Wow. Crazy work. Man, I'm not liking this anymore. Wish we got some more confluence here, dude. Really do. Gotta shut the window. $0.70. Damn. Fill the 1 minute gap. Sure, it'll be crazy if I get stopped out 4 days in a row. But I like this shit. Hopefully I like it. So if I didn't like it, I shouldn't have been taking it. Where's ES looking at? Did price in a pretty good 5 minute down candle. Down candle. Such a noob slang. Such a noob slang off of this. If we close above these highs, it's looking real good. But we have to close above those highs. Eee, that's a huge rejection wick. Gotta pee so bad, bro. Every time I go and pee, I get stopped out, though. It's kind of crazy how that shit aligns. Okay, potential for a woman SMT here. Could also break to the downside and then, oh my gosh, dude. You gotta be fucking serious. You gotta be genuinely kidding me, dude. Alright, boys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.